So we will start now. The first question is, what position is the patient with connector's display? In that, you will see the one image. This is opisthoton position. We can see. We will see in the detail. Opisthoton position. The characteristics of this position is, in that baby spinal is curved in shape and head and heel that are till backside. The condition is usually the sign of serious brain condition such as meningitis, tetanus and trauma of brain. The next one, identify this picture for newborn baby. We can see there are symptoms, sign and symptoms of rhesus. We'll see one by one. A. epistaxis, B. varicella, B. rubella showing blueberry rhesus, then congenital jaundice showing blueberry rhesus. For that, answer is C. congenital rubella showing blue rhesus. The next questions. Third one, in the first trimester, if the patient had palpable fundus or gained 10 ILBS weight, what does it mean? That is hydatidiform mole. We will see in detail. Hydatidiform mole. This is the hydatidiform mole. The next question. Fourth one. What are the walls of the hearts? We will see one by one. For easy remember, we can remember that AP to man. A means aortic area, B matlab pulmonary area, E matlab Erb's point, then T means tricuspid area and M means mitral area. That is the wall. Next one, fifth one. What happens in prolapse cord? This is the picture of prolapse cord. Umbilical is outside. This is an medical emergency. Cord comes out, we can see, because it presses on the umbilical cord because of less blood supply. This may cause baby death. This is the medical emergency. For that management, we have to give knee chest position or Tindelberg position. That is the management that is very important for all exams. Question number 6. We can see this symbol. This is WHO, UNICEF, ILO and AFO. So this symbol is answer WHO, World Health Organization. The next seventh one. What is the best position for birth? That is ROA and LOA. We will see one by one in detail. That is, we can see this is left occipito anterior. The second one, this is right occipito anterior. The next one is a patient with pulmonary embolism and a nursing diagnosis of impaired gas access has an order to obtain arterial blood gases. The first intervention by the nurse is to. For that, one by one we'll see. A. Perform an Allen test. B. Explain the procedure. C. Gather the equipments. D. Document the procedure. For that, answer is A. Perform an Allen test. We'll see in detail. This is Allen test. The next one. What is the name of giving chart? This is Snell chart. What is used? This is an eye chart that can be used to measure visual. Next one. Identify the procedure is shown this photograph. A. Insulin given. B. Medicine implant. C. Tuberculin test. B. Fluid sampling. For that, answer is C. This is tuberculin test. For next video, you subscribe now so that you can get my all videos.